Hello everyone, welcome you all in my new video. In this video I am going to solve the problem which is based on the gravity anomaly and related to the infinite horizontal cylinder problem. So the problem is an infinite horizontal cylinder of radius 40 kilometer is buried at the depth of 100 kilometer and yields the same maximum gravity anomaly as an infinite horizontal cylinder of radius 1 kilometer and buried at a depth of 1 kilometer, having density contrast with the surrounding of 200 kilogram per meter cube. The density contrast of the deeper cylinder with respect to the surrounding is, so here given as there are two cylinder at different depth. So the first one is the radius of first cylinder is the radius of first cylinder, that is r1, which is equals to 40 kilometer, and depth of the first cylinder is 100 kilometer. And suppose del 1 max will be the gravity anomaly, maximum gravity anomaly. Del 1g max will be the maximum gravity anomaly. This is the different parameter for the first cylinder which is deeper, that is depth is 100 kilometer. Now the other cylinder for which the radius, that is r2, is equals to r2 r2 is equals to 1 kilometer, z2 is equals to 1 kilometer, and del rho 2, which is density contrast with its surrounding, will be 200 kilogram per meter cube. Suppose, so we have to find out the density contrast of the deeper cylinder. So this is the shallower cylinder, that is radius 2 will be the cylinder 2 will be the shallower, and this one will be the deeper cylinder. So suppose del rho 1 will be the density contrast, and we have to find this. So the aim is to find del rho 1, and suppose del g2 of max will be the maximum gravity anomaly for cylinder 2. Maximum gravity anomaly for cylinder 2. So we have to find out del rho 1, also given as, here you can see this is given as the cylinder 1 gives the same maximum gravity anomaly as an infinite horizontal cylinder of, that is cylinder 1 gives the same gravity anomaly of cylinder 2. So you can say del g1 of max, which is equals to del g2 of max. So this is the condition which is given in problem. Now we are talking about the expression for the gravity anomaly of an infinite horizontal cylinder. So del expression for the infinite horizontal cylinder, so del g will be 2 pi g into r square into del rho into z over z square plus x square. So this is the expression for gravity anomaly infinite horizontal cylinder. So the maximum gravity anomaly will be del G max, which is equals to 2 pi g r square at x is equals to 0. So the above expression will be, if we put x is equals to 0, we will get into del rho into z over z square, that is this term will cancel out, we will get 1 over z, or we can simply write this expression. So this is the expression for maximum gravity anomaly. So for two cylinder at different depth and different radius, so del G max for first cylinder, del G max of first, which is equals to 2 pi g r1 square del rho 1 and 1 over z, because here you can see the density contrast will be different for different cylinder, and del G2 of max will be equals to 2 pi g r2 square del rho 2 divided by 1 over z2. So from this equation number 1, del G1 which is equals to del G2, the maximum of del G1 is equals to maximum of del G2. So 2 pi g r1 square del rho 1 1 over z1, which is equals to 2 pi g r2 square del rho 2 1 over z2. So 2 pi g cancel out, r1 is 100, so 100 ka square del rho 1 you have to find out, and 1 over z1. So here r1 is 40 and z1 is 100, so this will be square of 40 into del rho 1 and 1 over 100. Here you can see r1 is 40 kilometer and z1 is 100 kilometer, which is equals to r2, which is 1 kilometer, r2 is 1 kilometer, z2 is 1 kilometer, and del rho 2 will be 200 kilogram per meter cube. So 200 into 1 over z1 is 1 kilometer. So after simplifying, this will be 1600 into del rho 1 into 1 over 100, which will be equals to 200, or del rho 1 which will be equals to 200 over 16, that is 12.5. So the density contrast of first cylinder, that is at the depth of 200, at the depth of 100 kilometer, and the radius of infinite horizontal cylinder is 40 kilometer, yields the gravity anomaly del G1 max, where the density contrast will be del rho 1, which is equals to 12.5, and the unit will be the same as the density contrast of second cylinder. So kilogram per meter cube. Kilogram per meter cube. So you have to remember that the gravity anomaly of a infinite horizontal cylinder is equals to 2 pi g r square del rho z over z square plus x square. You have to remember this, and the maximum gravity anomaly will be del G max, which is equals to, by putting here x is equals to 0, so del G max will be 2 pi g r square del rho z over z square, or you can say del G max will be 2 pi g r square del rho 1 over z. So this is the expression for the maximum gravity anomaly of an infinite horizontal cylinder. And the formula for mass will be equals to 255 into del G max into x half whole square. This is the expression for the formula to calculate the mass. So this equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3 you have to remember. So thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you once again.